Let's talk about the engine that is actually powering your website. If you are on a standard CPanel host like Bluehost, HostGator, or a hosting, you are running on software called Apache. Apache was invented in 1995. It is older than Google. It is older than the iPhone. And in the tech world, old means slow. Here is the problem with Apache. It is thread-based. Imagine a restaurant where every time a customer walks in, the restaurant hires a brand new waiter just for that one person. If you have 5 customers, no problem, but if you have 500 customers, you run out of waiters. You run out of space. The restaurant collapses. This is why your cheap host crashes when you get traffic. It runs out of RAM trying to create a new waiter for every visitor. I am going to show you the modern alternative that powers Netflix, Airbnb, and Uber. It handles 10,000 users as easily as it handles 10. Click the link in the description right now. That link takes you to Kinsta. I want you to know that Kinsta doesn't use Apache. They use Nginx. Open that link, and let's talk about event-driven architecture. Open the link. Okay, here is the difference. Nginx, pronounced Nginx, is not thread-based. It is event-based. Going back to our restaurant analogy, Nginx is like one superwaiter on rollerblades. He doesn't stand at the table waiting for you to decide what you want. He takes your order, zips to the kitchen, zips back to another table, refills a water glass, and delivers a check, all in one fluid motion. He never stops, and most importantly, he does it all alone. He doesn't need 500 clones. He uses a tiny amount of RAM, no matter how many people are in the restaurant. This is why Kinsta can handle viral traffic spikes that kill other hosts. Because underneath the hood, they aren't trying to spawn thousands of heavy Apache processes. They are using Nginx to juggle the traffic efficiently, asynchronously, and instantly. If you look at the speed benchmarks, Nginx destroys Apache. It serves static files faster. It handles high concurrency better. It is the standard for high-performance web hosting. But most hosts don't offer it because it is harder to configure. They stick with Apache because it is easy for them, not because it is good for you. So, go back to that link in the description. Stop trying to run a modern business on 1995 software. You wouldn't run your business on Windows 95. Don't run your server on Apache. Click the link, get the power of Nginx, and stop worrying about running out of RAM. I'll see you in the next video.